Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and this is the Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Plus AutoWash Dock. This is the ideal cleaning companion for those of you looking for a more detailed and hands-free cleaning experience. And in this video, I'll be walking you through a few of my personal favorite things that this Roomba can provide for you. And as you can see, I've already taken everything out of the box for this new Roomba, but I did want to quickly mention the cardboard insert that comes inside, as this is really cool. This is going to give you a visual step-by-step guide on how to get your new Roomba ready to clean your home. I'm going to jump ahead to step 6, as this is a QR code that you'll want to scan with your phone. This will bring you to the appropriate place for whether it's an iOS or an Android device to download the new Roomba Home app. This will get your Roomba set up on your Wi-Fi network and ready for first-time use. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I need to tell you, and it's probably the most important, is that the Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot is going to provide you with exceptional cleaning on all floor types. Whether you have fully carpeted bedroom, an area rug in the living room, hardwood, tile, laminate, a mixture of all the above, Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot will be able to transition from floor type to floor type with ease, automatically adjusting the cleaning settings depending on what floor type it's on. And the advanced DualClean spinning mop pads are going to provide you with that detailed mopping experience that we're all looking for. Now, what is unique about this Roomba is that one of the mopping pads will automatically extend as Roomba gets close to edges or into corners. That's going to give us the benefit of a really detailed edge cleaning experience. While this Roomba is still smart enough to know as I approach any carpeted surfaces within the home, I need to raise my mopping pads up to protect wetting carpets and increase the suction power. So another one of my personal favorites is that this Roomba is super smart. It's got our Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation along with Precision Vision AI technology. This allows the Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot to navigate our life's obstacle course with ease. Whether it's a dog toy in the living room, maybe you threw a towel and missed the clothes hamper on accident, Roomba will easily dodge and weave around those objects that are on the ground. Likewise, if you spilled a little coffee or orange juice that's in the kitchen there, Roomba is smart enough to know I need to actually turn off the vacuum motor and just mop that area. Or there's an excess amount of dirt I need to hang out there, make sure it's all picked up before moving off to another. So the last thing on my list to tell you about before we get out of here, and it's my absolute favorite as an owner of 3 dogs who literally shed year round, this is the AutoWash Dock. It's unreal on how cool this thing is. As Roomba vacuum and mops the floors in our home, Roomba knows when the bin fills up or when my pads need to be refreshed, I need to head back home to the AutoWash Dock. And I need to take all the dry debris that I picked up during my cleaning mission, empty it up front here into this enclosed disposable bag. These bags can hold up to 75 days. When full, simply pull the used bag out, throw the used bag in the trash, and replace it with the nearby bag that's there. Place the cover back on and you're good to go for another 2+ months. Here we have the clean water tank. This is going to allow Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot to go back and forth, refresh its pads in between both rooms and at the end of cleaning missions. This dock is also smart enough to know when to do its own self-clean cycle to keep itself fresh and tidy, and it'll use heated air to speed up the drying process on the pads. Now this is what we call maintenance-free cleaning. So I'd love to continue to go on and on about how great this Roomba is. I really gotta wrap this thing up and get us out of here. The Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Plus Auto Wash Dock is a fantastic cleaning companion for all floor types. It's got really strong suction power that'll automatically increase when on carpeted areas. And the advanced DualClean spinning mop pads are gonna reach out to clean along the wall edges and deep into corners. And this Roomba reacts to what's in front of it in real time. So if you dropped a sock in the living room or spilled some juice in the kitchen, or your dog's brought in some excess dirt or grass by the back door, it's gonna avoid the object and adjust the cleaning style appropriately. And the Auto Wash Dock will automatically empty the dry debris for up to 75 days, wash and heated dry the mopping pads, and it's even smart enough to know when to self-clean itself. All of this makes this Roomba the ideal choice for your home. So seriously, if you haven't added one to your cart already, you should do so you can start to experience what a Roomba clean floor is. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.